So welcome back, guys. We've got another unboxing. So this is also a product from Temu. So this will be like a mini braai, like a mini barbecue. I'll show you guys. So obviously the blue is like the protective plastic, but that's kind of how it looks. I can show you guys like that. Then you'll have like the pot of your pan. Only has space for like 1 or 2 briquettes. But how cool is that? Like an emergency like cooking. So if you go camping, you can see there. See if I can take some of this off. You guys can clearly see. You guys can see there. So you'll have like the flame. I'll definitely try this out. Definitely. Oh, so basically you just put it like on top. What a cool little toy. Give you guys a nice little close-up of it.